Is the Amazon Mini Lathe any good for making 1/12 scale doll's house furniture at a bargain price? Here we go then, it's all unboxed, it's set up in the kitchen of course, not in the shed, on a piece of newspaper so I can get dust everywhere. I'm using a piece of 9mm by 9mm mahogany strip wood. This is the first time I've ever used a lathe, and so far it seems pretty easy. You've just got to screw the one end of it into the chuck, and it comes with like a 3mm adapter with a screw on the end. You screw that into the wood, and the other end it goes onto like a conical point that you just put in, and that runs on a bearing, and you try and center it up as best as you can and power on. You've got to love the resounding clunk of a quality Chinese made on-off switch. Everything seems square and lined up, turns on alright, doesn't wobble, doesn't fly off. Next thing, what am I going to cut this wood with? It comes with a set of 6 chisels. They're absolutely useless. You're hard pressed to get it through a pair. Best thing to do with these, throw them away. So rather than use the chisels, I use an Aldi rotary tool, a cordless one. I don't think it matters whether it's corded or not. I crank it up to the highest speed, and what I've done is put in a 3mm diamond burr bit. I've got conical ones, straight ones and round ones. I'll try and show you what each one does. I did a little bit yesterday, and today's the day that I'm filming it to show you how effective it is. I find it easier than those ridiculous chisels. I tried the chisels. You're going to lose an eye if you use those, so really just throw them away and buy yourself either a sharp chisel or try using a rotary tool like I'm doing. It seemed to work alright. So here's the first two attempts. The shorter one, the one I've done today, I haven't sanded it down. I've done nothing to it. You can see it's still a bit rough. And the other one I did yesterday, I spent a bit of time over. I'm pretty pleased. I think you can make furniture using this lathe. I paid 29 quid for mine. You can get them cheaper, you can get them dearer, just do what you want. Came within 4 days, I think. So far so good. Still got my eyes.